Welcome friends, fans, and family to our Courage Boys Soccer Senior Night. Today, we'll be starting with our opponent's lineup from West High School. Starting with number 1, Oliver Vargas. Number 7, Am Sang. Number 10, Brandon De Anda. Number 11, John Lian. Number 12, Babli Ali. Number 13, Uche Eke Uko. Number 14, Leo Lopez. Number 17, Brian Gonzalez Alanes. Number 19, Eric Cortez. Number 25, Ahmed Haji. And number 40, Aiden Vargas. Now for our Courage Boys Soccer. Starting with number 30, Adrian Rodriguez. Number 17, Alejandro Barragan. Number 1, Anthony Ordonez. Number 20, Arvin Rosales. Number 2, Colton Coco Anderson. Number 19, Eric Suarez. Number 20, Itamar Rosales Camacaro. Number 5, Javier Fernandez. Number 26, Joan Cordova. Number 30, Osvaldo Gaeta. And last but certainly not least, number 6, Yurio Limon. Let's have a great day today, boys.
Inside? There's a lot of people. Oh. Hey, you want to hold this one? Yeah. It's your small brother. Small brother.
Some players are known for statistics, others are known for cultural. Brandon and
You could have seen it was so funny. Of your dad.
A video. Oh, a video? Oh. Oh. Okay, they're not done. Which one's the middle one? Mine's the short one. Yeah, that's not blue.
Oh, okay. One, two.
We should be trying to make a goal.
Oh,
We already took Can you take us on? Wait, I don't have a picture. Wait, give me one. Wait, which one? Wait, I want one. Emily, what are you doing? I can't really. I gotta take Mommy, hold one. Joe, get that red. I love how you're taking a selfie. Wait. Real quick, let me take it. Here. Wait, can I let me come.
Okay, well, come, Nelly and all of us.
Everyone. I took so many.